In the shadow of steel and grass, a different kind of life perseveres, not in spite of us, but around us. A wild heartbeat pulses beneath the concrete. It's in the flash of emerald and sapphire that carries its prize, a silent hunter in a world of noise. In the emerald cathedral of the canopy, where light and shadow dance, there moves a living piece of art, a ribbon of jeweled lightning. It does not slither, it glides. It does not crawl, it flows. This is no predator of the underworld, but an acrobat of the heavens. Watch now as it defies the very law of the forest. It trades the earth for the sky, not with wings, but with will. This is a journey written in the air itself. It is searching, not for a foe, but for sustenance. A silent hunter whose pursuit is a ballet, whose success is a whisper in a world of noise. Ornate flying snakes don't have the wings. Instead, they are masterful gliders. During a glide, they can actually make mid-air turns and maneuvers. Research shows they can glide for over 100 meters or 330 feet. While I was documenting the snake, high in the canopy, a silent observer watches the drama below. A female Asian quail. Her world is one of stealth and strategy. Her gaze is locked not on a potential host nest, but on a threat, a glimmer of patterned scales. The ornate flying snake moving with fluid grace along a branch far below. But high above the drama, a very different story was unfolding. A pair of black drongos and a pair of red-vented bulbul were trying to say hello to the notoriously focused blue-throated barbet. This was no random encounter. The way they sat, the comfortable silence that punctuated their chatter, it spoke of a long and easy acquaintance. These two probably knew each other. But just on the next branch over, a much less peaceful struggle was underway. While one barbet enjoyed a moment of quiet reflection, its mate was engaged in an epic battle of will against an insect that had seriously overestimated its place on the food chain. Unlike many birds, that use existing holes, barbets are primary cavity nesters. This means they use their powerful beaks to chisel their own nesting holes in dead trees or soft wood. Enter the Asian teat, the burst of frantic energy and impeccable timing. The gossip of the forest has arrived. And in the hush that follows the rain, when the world is glistening and new, another kind of magic reveals itself. The jungle babbler, often overlooked in the bright light of a day as a plain gregarious bird, is transformed. In the monsoon's embrace, they are not just brown, they are tapestry of earthy tones, rich chestnut, soft grey, and warm buff. They become stunning. This is their moment of quiet, a rare pause from their chaotic, chattering flocks. Each has its own role, its own struggle, its own brilliant color. And here in this single tree, we see it, the true breathtaking beauty of nature and wildlife. So many different lives, all woven together, all different colors, but no argument, no quarrel, just life in its endless interconnected wonder.